we're here at Shoe Healer, and this is a shoe that's been sent in. When we get your shoes that have been sent in, we will inspect the shoe. You should really always give them a good check yourself. Have a look round the edges of the welt, make sure the welt's okay, the welt stitching's okay. Have a look round the counter, round the back of the heel to see if that's worn. Have a quick check of the eyelets, a quick look across the vamp where the stitching is, just so that if we phone you and say there's a little bit of a problem with your shoe, we need, there's a little bit more work needed, you have half a clue about what we're talking about. We don't want to be sounding like we're bigging the job up or bigging the price up. So have a good look at your shoes, inside the back, inside the insole, round the sides of the welt and the eyelets and everything. So when we get your shoe, we will strip this down, we will give the upper a nice clean and a polish back up. They won't come back like new. They will be lovely old shoes still. Some of the marks, some of the muck that's in there won't come out. People do get a little bit disappointed. Somebody's told them, my shoes are going to come back like new. They won't come back like new. They will be old shoes that have been restored. Old shoes that have had new life put into them. But the uppers will still be the same old uppers. So when we've got the shoe, we will start work on it and we will start to strip it down. And we'll take the heel off like this, and she comes off like that. Oh yes. And the heel stack. So these are all called lifts. The heel stack is made up of individual lifts. So we get all the lifts off there. Oh, and this one doesn't want to come. Let's have a quick look, see if we can get it from the back. That's it there. Okay, and now we're going to take out the stitching so we can get the sole off. Now you can see already this has been worn right through the sole to the midsole there. Look, can you see that? My grubby fingers there. So we're going to take it down to somewhere like that. It has to get there before it will actually start to come apart. People do worry that the sole will come off when they've worn the stitches out. No, it's all the little stitch pegs that are left hold the sole nicely. The sole's also bonded onto the shoe, so there should be no worry at all. Wearing the top off the stitches won't get the sole coming apart. So I'm going to take this right down now on the machine. You can see the little pegs there, look, little bit of stitching. They will normally sit between the sole and keep the sole on, even if the sole's worn thin and the top of the stitching's been worn off. So I've only done this back to there. I can't take that back any further, but I'll go around there and take that off. Then we'll take the midsole off, we'll check all the cork inside the shoe, replace the cork and have a look at the shank. If the shank's got any wear in it, we'll replace the shank as well.